All right, and no sooner do I land to come home from vacation than are we on our way out to the Muscle Mash car meet here in Columbus. It's the second or third annual Muscle Mash. Yes, there's usually a ton of cars, Mopars, Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes, you know, old, new, but they do allow trucks and they do allow Jeeps to come and show off as well. So this is literally like I had just got back from vacation, ran upstairs, took a shower, shaved, as you can see, and we are jumping on the highway right now to head out to the Muscle Mash. How you doing? Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, well, we're here, and you guys recognize this Jeep? Ben found a spot right up front, so I parked right next to him. Just a little bit smaller. Big surprise, Ryan pulls up and there's a huge crowd around him. Clearly nobody cares about you, so.
It was funny standing next to somebody and just hearing like just cuss words as he came in, like not understanding.
It's so funny because I pulled in right behind him and he was buying all the entries and whatnot. And the people were laughing. She's like, I don't know how I'm going to give you the ticket.
You had to get a ladder to buy it.
I
literally said open the door. Should have wore your other shorts and you can model for us. There you go.
It's like nobody understands that. Like in pictures, they're like, oh, it looks sweet, and then they see it in person, and they're literally like, this wheel is at my hip. Like it's taller than my hip.
I really don't know if I can get in it. I was worried about ripping my pants in your Jeep.
Oh yeah, no, you'd rip it. He has those steps that come down, but they don't help. Do it for the gram.
Hey, go back. What did you use?
No, because I'm bald in the back.
Because I'm bald.
No, because then everybody will know it's Photoshop.
Now everybody's gonna know anyway. Hey, put that mud on my tire so it looks like I off-road.
Well, I took this out of the curb.
Wait, since when are your springs blue?
I just had to put my new lift on.
What's up, Blake?
How's it going, man?
I thought I smelled an SRT around here.
Yeah. You smell a couple of them.
Yeah.
We're just having a good time here. It's actually cooling down finally because there's clouds, but
Yeah, they were predicting hail, but they ended up not having any hail. Oh, here's the demon. I think it's just recentering.
Yeah. Which is crazy because like this, I don't know, like hearing my, like feeling mine and like another pretty much 101 horsepower, like how much is like the difference? Like I actually would like to feel it. I'm sure
That's cool that he has this whole poster too. And then he has his track times and stuff down here. So you can see Ryan's truck here. And if you guys have ever seen his videos, you'll notice this red truck. He actually lifted this one as well and had the leveling kit on there as well. So this is the same guy. He actually came right up to Ryan and was like, dude, this thing looks so much bigger now. Of course it does, because he has his new lift kit and everything on here.
Two spots. I do feel like a dick, but I had to.
Oh, yeah, I mean, you wouldn't be able to open your door though either way if you were to park in single spot. I mean, he fit in a single spot though. Holy shit, look at that Tacoma. What is he on, 1550s?
No, look.
What's that, side by sides?
5th gen Cummins over here.
Oh yeah, he's way over there.
That's nice.
Dude brought his side by sides. Another mojito.
Yeah, look at this Tacoma too. That Tacoma definitely stands. Wow.
We were talking to Blake earlier. This is his Grand Cherokee. I love this wrap. It's one of my favorite wraps. Blake is the reason I want an SRT Grand Cherokee so bad. I text him probably once a week and say, okay, I'm trading the Jeep in, get a Grand Cherokee SRT. Oh my God, those things are so badass. Actually, I don't know if I want to be standing there at this point. Okay, honestly,
Yeah.
talk a lot of shit about Mustangs.
Yeah.
But that is a cloud of smoke. Woo!
He saved the crowd.
He said-
Saved the crowd.
For the next one.
Yeah.
Oh, he's
already sideways.
He's sideways.
He's already sideways.
Oh, getting a little squirrely. Getting a little squirrely. Are you mad you didn't bring your charger now?
Yeah, I wanted to just light this thing up.
The problem is he wanted to bring his charger, but I couldn't drive it because I wanted to drive my Jeep, and I also needed to get back down here. So I was using my own car to get back down from Cleveland after my trip. So I couldn't drive his car and my car.
I really wanted. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to stand here and not even sit at the table.
We almost
I wanted to stand here and I just light them up.
we almost had Hallie drive it.
Yeah.
So close.
Coming back for more.
Hit it! Holy shit! Wow!
Way rowdy.
That G8 was insane. That thing was just going.
Did you see the inside of his?
Oh yeah. Third time. He's going straight to tire discounters. Oh, that sucks. He totally could have got away with it, dude. He went by 2 other times.
I know.
And he was gone. He was gone. And he came back around for a 3rd time. And the cop came. Oh no, another cop.
How lame.
Ryan's famous for this on his Snapchats. Got the wing nights going. You can't have cars without wings. So when you register to kid at the show, you actually get these tickets, 50/50 Raffle tickets. I ended up winning $50 off any detail package from Bullfrog Auto Spa. Who would have known?
Those things are stupid.
Dude, I could dig it. I hope they have like best Jeep. It's just between you and me.
I didn't even register.
Oh, so I win. No, there is one other one, yeah.
Yeah, but that one's not really.
Well, if he forgot 2, then I win. Oh, already expecting it.
I'm gonna be.
Hey.
44.
Oh! Oh! Yeah!
Wait. Is that's the dude with that's
The black one?
that's the guy with the Ram.
Oh.
I fully expected that because I said that's the people who were last year. I
Oh.
literally just telling him, I was like, it's either gonna be me or that black Ram because that was the guy who was here last year. It must be. It's the front drive shaft.
I
I don't have it's the front drive shaft.
Front drive
It's the front drive shaft.
They knew it was missing.
They knew it was missing.
That's pretty cool.
That's
Holy shit! World's slowest burnout! He's doing it! World's slowest burnout! Dude, that was he got there. Come on, Ahmed. Hey, do a burnout. Do a burnout. Do a burnout. Burnout. I know that he's going to. He's going to try. He doesn't give a shit what you I know. I kind of shifted up. I shifted up that one. I was like, he's like, I took one step to the left.
Look here.
Do a burnout!
Come on!
Do a burnout! She's light him up! You'll be fine. Here, go. Oh yeah! 4-wheel drive takeoff. All right, Ben, I know you're watching this. We're just gonna say A+ for traction control.
Yeah. That takeoff was
Wait,
incredible.
did you forget to turn that off?
Burnout, not so much. You didn't even chirp. But 0 to 60 was up there.
Yeah, it was probably 14 seconds or so. It was incredible.
Now you're all probably mad that you can't do yours. Too bad. Dude, first world problems. You can't bring two cars.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, well, he didn't trust, he didn't trust Hallie driving it.
Well, I wouldn't either. I don't know Hallie, but Hallie. It's nothing against you. Don't push hard.
Oh shit! A dually. Woo! Hey! Holy crap! That's a huge surprise. It was better than the Silverado too. Pulling Ryan's truck around my Jeep next to Blake's Grand Cherokee, getting some pictures for the end of the night. Yeah, I know. Jeep or Mopar in general just needs to sponsor us because we got pretty much the whole lineup here. I mean, if he would have brought his Hellcat, we would have had pretty much the entire lineup of all the cool stuff. Clearly the lot's really empty now. They pretty much had the giveaway like kind of stuff, the 50/50 raffle, and then they had like the awards. We didn't walk away with anything. Well, actually I did win like a $50 off a detail package, so I did win a raffle, but we didn't walk away with any awards for best Jeep or best truck or best Mopar or anything like that. But that's all right because it's all fun and games. But it's just nice to come out and meet a lot of people and see the stuff that's around here in Columbus. There's a lot more than we expected. There's a lot more cars that showed up than we expected. So. It was a really good turnout. So I just like coming to these events mostly to meet these people. And if I win something in the meantime, that's just a bonus. Oh, here we go. We got the lineup with all the lights on. Got the halos on the Jeep, and then the accent lighting on the road armor fender flares. Blake's Grand Cherokee, nice LED package. And then Ryan with his LED bar, and then his cab lights that he put on with the parking lights. Oh, these three vehicles look amazing. All right, and as you can see, parking lot is completely empty besides us. And we wouldn't have it any other way. We like staying till the end and meeting as many people as possible, seeing every car leave, do their thing, burnouts, or just take off if they're all-wheel drive. Blake was just here and he just took off in his Grand Cherokee. It just hooked and booked. It's just great to get around, talk to people. He was here with us for another 3 hours after pretty much everybody left here besides Ryan and I. Yeah, that'll do it for us today, guys. We are the last two to leave the show. We weren't the first ones here. There was a ton of muscle cars. There was a decent amount of like older car. I thought that was Blake. There's a decent amount of like kind of older muscle cars, classics. There's a a bunch of Mustangs, a bunch of Chargers, Challengers, a decent amount of Camaros. There's only like 1 or 2 Corvettes, and then a couple trucks, and pretty much just me and like 2 other Jeeps for the Wranglers. But altogether, great show. We got to see a lot of cool stuff. As you guys saw in the clips, a lot of dope burnouts. Got to meet a lot of new people just from Instagram and YouTube, and you know, people that we've never met, but we know their Instagram handle. So now we actually have a face, a real name, and their Instagram handle. We are about to head out here, call it a night, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us today. Literally just, again, threw together. I came back from Aruba, washed the Jeep, showered, and drove right here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments below on what you guys think of some of the cars that you saw here today. And as always, we will catch you in the next one.